Welcome to ktastro.com. I'm going to talk about Saturn and Mars making square aspect on October 10th, 2017 and its impact. Saturn and Mars making exact square aspect on October 10th, 2017 around 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Saturn and Mars can make few odd aspects couple of times in a year. It can be conjunction, opposition or square. This time square aspect is happening on October 10th. Why this time is different? There are few reasons. The first reason is this square aspect is happening under Kalasarpa Yoga. Kalasarpa Yoga means all 7 planets are bounded by one axis of Rahu and Ketu. So this effect will be severe. And the second reason is Saturn is about to make transit onto next house, that is Dhanush Rashi, on October 25th. So this square aspect is happening just before the Saturn transit. So this is another important reason. And the third reason is Saturn is placed on Vrishchiga Rashi, that is ruled by Mars. And Mars is placed on Simha Rashi, that is ruled by Sun. It represents a government and earth. So the outcome can be severe. The events can trigger on 2 dates. The first one is October 10th, 2017, 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and October 17th, 2017, 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. You have to add 24 hours before and after to notice the impact. The possible events are geopolitical tensions like Korea nuclear test and natural disasters like earthquake, tsunami or flood. It can be major accidents or fights between two major political parties, and it can be man-made disasters like terrorist attack or bomb explosion. Stock market can experience wild swing on either direction. Interestingly, these 2 dates, October 10th and 17th, are happening on Tuesdays, so the impact will be severe. What we can do to protect ourselves? If possible, avoid traveling on these 2 days and conducting any subhakaryas. If you are trading in stock market, hedge your portfolio. Go long on gold investments and US treasury bonds. Avoid taking any important decisions or signing contracts. And recite Sudarshana Mahamantra. You can visit my website ktastro.com for more detailed information. You can follow me through Facebook, YouTube or Twitter. Thank you for watching this video.